All right, so are you an asshole for trying to keep your family traditions alive after divorce? That's the exact problem that Jessica is facing. So today, we are going to read her question and answer it. Dear Wolf and Shore, I'm recently divorced. This is our first Thanksgiving apart, and my ex and I are already fighting about what time and where the kids are having dinner. He wants to have dinner at 5:30, but we always have it at 5, and the houses we're eating at are an hour apart. Am I being an asshole? Signed, Jilted Jessica. So first off, you're probably both being assholes here. What you might not be thinking about is that you and your ex are probably feeling the exact same way. Essentially, you have 3 options. Option 1, one of you switches the dinner time and you split the day with the kids. Option 2, one of you keeps the kids for the whole day and the other parent has Thanksgiving next year. Or option 3, one of you keeps the kids for the whole day and the other one celebrates Thanksgiving the following day, and then you can reverse it next year. Jessica, ask yourself, what would you think if your ex told you that you couldn't see your kids on Thanksgiving because his family dinner was more important than yours, and that he was inflexible in scheduling a different time for that? I think the answer is probably that you wouldn't want that, so let's make sure to not do that to him either. I have worked with so many people in very similar situations, so here's what I would suggest for you. The first thing you need to do is tell your ex that this is not about either of you. It's about the kids. The next thing you need to do is ask him how he proposes to handle the situation. If it's a scenario you can deal with, agree, outline the details, and, if applicable, say that you'll flip the schedule next year. After you have reached that agreement, make sure it is confirmed in writing, and make sure that both of you know that if there are any changes to that agreement, it will not be made unless it is also in writing. If either of you feel as though this is going to be an ongoing problem, then it's probable that you're going to have to file a motion so that you can get back into court and modify the agreement to ensure that you're both on the same page moving forward in the future. Listen, we've had a lot of clients that have been through terrible, nasty custody battles, but I can think of one in particular where the turning point was actually Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was important to one of the parties and not so important to the other. They worked together to come up with an agreement so that they could both see each other and the kids on the first Thanksgiving, as well as the first Christmas. And then after that, they alternated. That was the turning point in their divorce, and it allowed for them to actually effectively co-parent moving forward. So Jessica, the answer to your question is the holidays are going to be some of the toughest times when you're going through a custody dispute, whether it's through custody or divorce or otherwise. You have to have a little bit of give and take in order to make an effective co-parenting relationship work. So, what do you think? Make sure you leave a comment below, and please like the rest of our videos. If you have any questions regarding a family law matter here in the state of Connecticut, schedule a call with our team and set up a consultation. In less than an hour, we will set up an outline as to how the process works and answer any questions you may have. I'm Kristen Wolf with Wolf & Shore Law Group, and we look forward to helping you.